filmed by Colour in Your Life in my studio in Lennox quite a while ago now. And it was a fantastic experience. Sophia and Graeme made it really, really easy. A lot of stupid jokes, a lot of laughing. I would like to say I was organised enough to do it for a career strategy or something, but the truth is that the opportunity appeared and I took it. It ended up being a really good thing for me in that I easily made my money back from the sale of paintings, but as someone who does a lot of teaching, I got a lot of interest in my instructional work and a lot of people curious about all of the other bits and pieces that I did. So that was really, really lovely. I still to this day get, comments, people who have seen it. That's 7 years later or something, I think. And that's probably one of the really nice things about it is that, you bump into people and they say, I really enjoyed your show and it was great watching you and I love watching the process. So people who normally think that I'm a shambolic, wanderer around the street actually realise I might have some skill. My advice would be, if you're thinking about doing it, just do it. As Graeme says, g'day viewers, put some colour in your life.